Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and you all are probably familiar with this style of a hammock suspension where you have a daisy chain webbing and you have a carabiner that connects somehow to the hammock. This is the spider daisy chain webbing. This is the style that you get when you order some of the Eno style hammocks, and this is our interwoven daisy chain webbing. Well, I'd like to introduce to you, instead of using the carabiner, the Mantis. This is the spliced on version, and all you do is stick this through the loop and then you hook the other side. These only weigh 7 grams per piece, about 14 grams for the pair, versus carabiners, which are often about 1 ounce per piece. This works with our spider daisy chain webbing. It also works with our interwoven daisy chain webbing, and also works with the less expensive, thicker type webbings. It comes on a spliced on version, such as this, and we also have the non-spliced on version, and then you can just hang your whoopee sling or your hook on that. Also, the part pretty much stays on there. If you packed up your straps, it would not very easily fall off. Thank you, everybody.